everybody, and welcome to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you to purchase it. Today is very special because we have our very first GlossyBox. GlossyBox is $21 monthly and it comes with full size and deluxe size products. So let's get into it and see what this month is. My box got a little damaged. It looks a little bit like it was stepped on, maybe? I don't know. Let's see what's inside. Oh no. The inside box also looks like that. Well, that's fun. Let's see what we've got. Oh, it's nice. It's got a little bow on it here for me. Okay. Yep. So we've got our pamphlet here telling me what it is. So it looks like it's GlossyBox Blossom for April. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that was what was rattling around in there. I was rattling it earlier and trying to figure out what it was. Okay. So the first thing we have in here is a collab dry shampoo. Oh, look at that. Ooh, you probably can't see this, but it is actually dented right here, which is kind of fun. I love dry shampoos. I have very oily hair, so which is why it's back today. So I am really excited to try this out and see how it works. And I have heard of collab before, but this looks like it's a full-size product as well, which is pretty exciting. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so next we have this product from Avant. It is a Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. So that'll be interesting. I don't think this is a full size, but we'll see when I actually get into the information on what it says. See what it smells like. It smells like rose, which kind of reminds me of my grandmother's bathroom. Both good and bad, I guess. Take that as you will. Okay. Now I saw this and I'm really excited about this, so I'm going to pull it out. I have been really loving nail polish recently, so this is a Be Your Incredible Self with Nails ink. So this is called Blossom Kisses. It's this kind of fun, like, pinky color. I will probably try that on later. I've got nail polish on right now, so can't really do anything with that right now. But gotta love a good nail polish. Oh, okay. I'll also in here, I don't really know what's with that, but I have some temporary tattoos. Let's see if you can see that. There's a bunch of different like flower patterns and things like that. I guess it's blossom, so everything is kind of flower related, but yeah, not sure what I'll do with that. I'm not a huge fan of that kind of thing. Oh, we have a little box here. Let's see, it says Flower Balm Nectar. I don't know what that means. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, that's adorable. It is Flower Balm Nectar from Victor and Rolf. It is a teeny tiny little perfume bottle. Do you guys see that? Look how cute that is. Let's see what it smells like. Apparently it doesn't have a squirt bottle. I just pulled the whole lid off. Ooh, that is quite strong. Smells good. Definitely flowery. I think a little bit of that goes a long way. I'm not a huge perfume person, but that's pretty good. I'm excited to try that out. Okay, I think we have our last thing in here, which is a Pore Green Tea Mud Sheet Mask. Oh, interesting. It's a 3D sheet mask from JJ Young by Callion Lab. So that's here. I hope I get to look like that when I put it on, because that'll be pretty fun. I just got the instructions. It's definitely from Korea, I see. It's actually only a half mask. It looks like it only goes on the top part of your face, the little people here. You can see that there's this little one here that only looks like it goes on the top part of my face. That's a interesting. Oh, or maybe it's a two-piece one. I don't know. I'll figure it out when I actually use it. Okay, let me pull out the little card to see what the prices are for everything. Ring in the spring glossies. Oh, that's cute. I got one of these, so I don't know. Okay, so the Avant Skincare. Whoa! Okay, so this is definitely a travel size. I mean, you could tell it's a 1.69 fluid ounces, 50 milliliters. The full size price, the manufacturer's, is $114. I cannot imagine paying that for exfoliator. 114. Oh my god. Well, this says something about a ruby sheet mask, which is definitely not what I have. Ruby is not what I would say this is. It definitely is green tea. The ruby one is $7. So I guess we're gonna agree with that $7 as well. Nail polish here, $11 for that. That's a little high for nail polish, but I'll give it that. Not too bad. Let's see, the original dry shampoo here, $5.50. Oh, that's actually pretty good. That is not bad at all for this. So it's the collab dry shampoo, only $5.50. I'm pretty impressed. Whoa, let's see. We say this deluxe mini. It actually tells me if it's mini or full size on here, which is really nice. So the deluxe mini of this little bottle here, it looks like the manufacturer's retail price for the deluxe mini is $23.69 for, how many ounces is this? I don't know. It doesn't actually say anywhere on here how many ounces this is. 0.24 fluid ounces. The full size is 1.7. It's $120. This is almost $24. I would not pay that for this much perfume. But as I said, I don't really buy perfume. Oh my god, $120 though. And the Flower Child, that can't be right. It says it's an extra treat. Oh, it's full size because you got all of them here. But it says it's $12.99 for these. Yeah, I don't know if I agree with that. Okay, well, let me pull out my phone and I'll give you a total. It doesn't give me how much the exfoliator actually is. Like, it tells me the manufacturer's price for the full size, but it doesn't say, like, how much this is, because I cannot imagine that the deluxe mini is $114. That sounds ridiculous. So, and it doesn't tell me how much the full size actually is either. I would have to go look that up and determine, like, what it actually is. Okay, but for what I have in here so far, so everything else minus the exfoliator, when I added it together, is $60.18. I mean, this alone is worth almost $24, so that's more than the package itself is. I'm really excited to try out this exfoliator that's full size, over $100. I mean, I don't buy skincare products that are that expensive for myself, so that's definitely going to be interesting. Of course, collab, dry shampoo, original fragrance too. You see this packaging? Is just this love all over it? How cute is that? Yeah, and nail polish. That's definitely the next thing I will be doing probably after the gold is gone on my nails. Is this really cute pink. Post a picture of it on my Instagram. So that is it for this month's GlossyBox. Thank you for watching with me. If you would be so kind, could you give a like? You subscribe to my channel where I'm going to be doing a lot more of these. In fact, tomorrow I've got the BoxyCharm and BoxyCharm Premium coming in tomorrow, which when I'm filming this is April 30th. So the very last day of April, I will finally be getting my April BoxyCharm and Boxy Premium. So I guess I'll have 2 more videos of those up shortly. If you're watching this in the future, they're already up. You can go watch them. How exciting that works for being in the future. Leave a like, subscribe, and I hope you return to my channel sometime when I'm wearing on my face. I'll put it down in the description box too, in case you guys are wondering. I'm relatively new to makeup, so you may be like, wow, your makeup looks awful. Yeah, that's probably true. I mean, I don't do it a lot, so it's kind of fun to do it every now and then. But leave me a comment, let me know how this works. Let me know if there's a box that you would like to see someone else open so you don't have to spend your money on it. Because hey, that's what I'm here for. Thank you everybody, and I'll see you later. Bye!